How to Get Rich in 2205 Step-by-Step Guide.
Money runs the world. But while some people struggle to make ends meet, others are making millions. What's the difference? Simple. The rich know how the system works. And today, you're going to learn their secrets. Ready? Let's go. Let's be honest. You want more money, but you keep spending everything and then complaining that you're broke. Being afraid to take risks and try new things. Wasting time instead of taking action. Conclusion, if you don't change anything, nothing will change.
Where to get money? For best ways to get rich in 2025.
The world is evolving and so are money-making opportunities. Here are the 4 best ways to build wealth this year. 1. Online business. Make money while others waste time. Forget about the 9-to-5 grind. Money is online now. Dropshipping. Sell products without even touching them. Digital products, courses, ebooks, subscriptions, consultation.
Investments. Make your money work for you.
Rich people don't just save money, they grow it. Stocks, ETFs. Bonds. Invest smart and enjoy passive income. Cryptocurrency. High risk, but also high rewards. Real estate, rent properties, and earn steady income.
Freelancing and remote work. Work for yourself, not for a boss.
Companies don't care about degrees anymore, they want skills. Programming, marketing, design, copywriting, video editing, AI-related jobs. Freelance platforms. You don't even have to leave your house.
How do rich people think?
Money isn't just about working hard, it's about thinking smart. Here are 3 golden rules of the wealthy. 1. Money must work for you. If you're just saving, you're losing. 2. Learn every day. The more you know, the more you earn. 3. Surround yourself with successful people. If your friends are broke, you will be too. Conclusion, if you want to be rich, start thinking like the rich.
Step-by-step plan for success.
Stop dreaming, start doing. Step 1. Set your goal. How much do you want to earn in a year? Step 2. Choose your strategy. Business, investments, freelancing, or social media. Step 3. Take action. The first steps are always the hardest, but the results are worth it.